Hello friends, in this video we will create a AI chatbot for Shopify store. Our chatbot will be able to answer from the knowledge base web pages. It will do order tracking, lead capture, recommendation, promotion and offers, and return. So let's get started. This is our Shopify store. It's a demo store. We have product listed here. So let's start first by training the chatbot on our website links. Okay. What I'll do, I'll crawl the website first. And because we have a few links here, I'll just train on it. Okay, it's pending right now. It will take some time.
A few minutes later.
Okay, so the chatbot is now trained on our website link. We also have added few FAQs regarding our cancellation policy and other things. So let's test it first on the knowledge base, and then we will move to Chatbot Studio and we will set up scenarios for order tracking and other. Okay, so let's test it first. Okay, what I'll do, I'll ask one question from the FAQ knowledge base and one question based on our website data. So tell me about the cancellation policy. We have added this on our FAQ section. Okay, so now our bot is responding from our knowledge base FAQs. And let me ask now about give me link to buy the best sneakers. Okay. Now because we have trained it on our website, it is giving me the purchase link for the sneakers. Yeah, so this works well. Our bot is now answering from our knowledge base data. Let's start by adding some dynamic elements to the chatbot so that our chatbot can do some dynamic tasks like answering questions related to order tracking and refunds, promotion and offers, recommendations, such things. Okay, so now let's set up the studio. We have already set up the scenarios from the template. It's a one-click step. You just need to import it. And to connect our chatbot with our Shopify store, we need two things. One is Shopify endpoint and then Shopify token. So let's see how we can create it. In our Shopify store, we will need to go to app and sales channel section and then develop apps. We will need to create our custom app. We have already created this app. You need you need to create a new app. Then you can add all administrator privileges, or at least you need read, write, order and read product. So once that is done, you can install the Shopify app, and once the app is installed, you will get the admin token. You can just copy that token and go back to the studio. So in studio, you can go to the variable section where you will have to add two variables. One is Shopify token and the other one is Shopify endpoint. So the token that you copied, you can just paste it here. And then you also need the Shopify endpoint. And Shopify endpoint, you can get it's the store ID, and then you can add myshopify.com. Okay, so that's all what you need to connect AI to your Shopify store. So let's test it in action. We will start with the product search first. Okay, so now I'll ask one question related to product search. Great. Instead of connecting to our knowledge base, AI executed our flow and responded as a carousel response. Let's see how it works behind the scene. Okay, so we have set up an intent for the product search that is connected to our code execution node. Code execution is actually connecting to our Shopify and fetching the product. If product found, in that case it is showing the product as carousels. If API fails, or in case product not found, in that case we have set up a fallback logic to pass the same query back to the AI. So yeah, we are passing the last utterance. We have set up the same prompt, and then bot is answering from the knowledge base again if product not found. Now product search part is done. Let's talk about other things. What if I want to check the order status actually? Okay, so I'll try with emulator now. Let me ask related to order status query. Maybe I am looking to check my order. Okay, so this query is related to order status. Now bot executed our intent, our scenario, and it is asking me for my order number. So we have already placed one order. I'll just copy this one, 1036. Okay, my order ID is 1036. Okay, now it is asking me for my email. Okay, just copy this. Maybe not working. I'll just type it. Okay, so bot connected to our Shopify store and gave us the answer: order is ready to be shipped, because our order is fulfilled and now it is ready to be shipped. So this flow is also executed fine. And if I talk about how it works, so we have this intent for the order status, that then like we are asking for the order ID, and then we are asking the email. In our code part, we have this logic to get the order status, and it will also validate if the email and the order ID is correct. If the email and the order ID is correct, it will check the order status and respond back. Okay, so that's all regarding the order status. Let's do one thing. Now we can test up the return process. Okay, I'll place the return for the same order. I want to return one damaged item. Okay, so bot executed the flow and asking me for my email. Okay, and now bot is asking me for my order ID. Sorry. Yeah, so my order ID is 1036. It will automatically do the entity extraction to extract the order ID from the message. Now it is asking me for the reason, defective item. Okay, so the refund is submitted. The line item has invalid quantity. Okay, so the refund is submitted. Maybe I just tapped on the defective twice. Maybe that's why. Let's just confirm it. What's the status here? Okay, so the refund is also executed, and our AI has actually processed the order as refund. And now let's set up the promotions and the lead capturing form. Okay, so there are two ways we can do for promotion. Either again I can create the intent and connect a promotion code flow or to it, or what I can do, I'll just simply add the promo code on my FAQ. So maybe I can give me the promo. Do you have any Okay, so I added this promo code as a FAQ. Okay, so it is trained now. Let's try it. Give me promo code. Okay, so now again AI is answering the promo code question from the knowledge base. So now promo code part is done. I think the last step that we need to set up is pre-chatting form, so that we can capture the user information. We can capture the leads as well. So to set up the pre-chatting form, it's a simple step. We just need to enable the pre-chatting form. We can add the email column, we can add the name column. I think that is enough for now. So let's test it as well. Okay, I'll ask one question, just sending hello. And now we can see it is now showing me a pre-chatting form and asking me for my name. Okay, Rohit. And then now it is asking me for my email. Let's try by passing some invalid email. Maybe rohit@test.com. Okay. So now it is showing me the email is invalid. Let me try by passing a valid email. Okay, so I just passed valid email and we got success and bot responded. Okay, so let's see it in the conversation tab. Here we can see the lead info, a name and the email. So that's all for this video. We will share the template, same template. You can just import it, or we already have the template on our template repository as well. You can just import it and use it on your Shopify store. So that's all for this video. Thank you so much.